Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in a video in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva, and first of all, I'm going to add my video to this design. I'm going to go to the upload menu, and for example, I'm going to add this video to my design just like this. And if we want to zoom in the video, we can double click on the video like this until it's active, and after that you will be able to zoom in your video. I'm going to show you how we can zoom in just like this guys. Okay, and you can adjust the position. Wait, I'm going to zoom in one more time. Okay, then adjust the position like this. Okay, and this is the result. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can zoom in our video in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.